Redesigning, recreating, and reusing old wood by mixing it with metal or pipes has become one of the most powerful movements in modern decor, blending strength with beauty and nostalgia with innovation. This approach offers a unique opportunity to create durable, stylish, and meaningful home furniture and crafts that appeal to both interior lovers and the marketplace. When old wood meets industrial metal, something remarkable happens. The charm of history fuses with the stability of modern materials, resulting in pieces that feel both timeless and contemporary. This combination has captured the hearts of homeowners who want decor that tells a story, makers who seek sustainable ways to build, and buyers who long for pieces that stand out from mass-produced furniture. But before anyone begins crafting or investing in such designs, there are essential things they must understand. The philosophy behind the craft, the technical considerations, the emotional value, and the purpose that drives people toward these materials. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. The first layer of significance lies in the wood itself. Old wood carries character, richness, and life. It has matured through years of use, weathering, or exposure, giving it grain patterns, imperfections, and textures that simply cannot be replicated by new lumber. When repurposed into new furniture, this wood brings warmth and authenticity into a space, making each piece feel personal and full of soul. Blending this warmth with the boldness of metal or pipes creates a design language that resonates deeply with today's aesthetics. Rustic yet refined, old yet new, soft yet strong. Metal introduces durability, structure, and a modern industrial edge, while the wood tempers that sharpness, bringing balance and harmony. This marriage of materials reflects the way many people want their homes to feel: rooted yet innovative, expressive yet functional, creative yet grounded. But beyond beauty, there is a practical advantage that makes this union so compelling. Metal provides unmatched strength, ensuring that furniture made from old wood remains sturdy and long-lasting. Shelves can hold more weight, tables can endure constant use, and chairs can maintain structural integrity. For makers, this opens the door to building furniture that is not only artistic, but also resilient. For buyers, it means investing in pieces that can withstand both time and lifestyle demands. In a world where cheap, disposable furniture floods the market, reclaimed wood combined with metal offers a refreshing promise: durability, longevity, and lasting value. Before starting to craft these pieces, however, any individual should understand the nature of the materials. Old wood requires careful handling, cleaning, sanding, checking for rot or pests, stabilizing weak areas, and sometimes reinforcing sections. Because aged wood has already lived a long life, it may have nails, cracks, or uneven textures that must be addressed with patience and skill. Knowing how to work with such material becomes part of the creative process, teaching the maker to respect the wood's history rather than forcing it into perfection. This is not a project for those who seek uniform surfaces or flawless smoothness. It is a craft built on embracing character and letting the material's natural story guide the design. Working with metal or pipes requires its own understanding. These elements must be measured with precision, cut correctly, and securely fastened to ensure stability and longevity. The maker must consider weight distribution, balance, and the compatibility between wood and metal. Although the industrial style often appears rugged and raw, it still demands careful craftsmanship. Each joint, screw, weld, or connection needs thoughtful execution to maintain the piece's integrity. Those who mix these materials must appreciate the science behind structure and the art behind assembly. This is where engineering meets creativity, where the maker must think not only as an artist, but also as a problem solver. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. For buyers, understanding these aspects helps them appreciate the true value of such furniture. They are not merely purchasing decor. They are investing in craftsmanship, sustainability, and heritage. These pieces have meaning because they are made from materials that already had a life, materials saved from waste and transformed into something stronger and more beautiful. Each item is unique, shaped by the wood's past, the maker's hands, and the thoughtful pairing of materials. Buyers should know that no two pieces will ever be exactly alike. That is the magic of reclaimed wood and metal design. The slight variations, natural imperfections, and handmade charm are not flaws, but signatures of authenticity. Before starting a project, creators should also understand the emotional and environmental importance of using reclaimed wood mixed with metal. It is an eco-friendly practice that reduces waste, minimizes deforestation, and extends the life of existing resources. Every board reused is one less piece ending up in landfills, and each metal frame crafted supports a sustainable lifestyle. This approach aligns with the values of many modern consumers who want decor that reflects environmentally responsible choices. For the maker, this becomes a meaningful part of their brand identity, positioning their work not only as functional or attractive, but also as conscientious and ethical. Creatively, the combination of old wood and metal opens endless possibilities. It allows for rustic industrial tables, floating shelves, organizers, plant stands, benches, wall art, bed frames, lamps, and more. The versatility of the look means it can adapt to farmhouse, Scandinavian, urban, minimalist, boho, or loft-style decor. Makers should know that success in this craft comes from confidence in mixing rough textures with clean lines, heavy materials with simple forms, and natural tones with industrial finishes. The magic lies in balancing contrast, letting wood soften the metal's hardness and metal enhance the wood's story. When investing time or money into these pieces, both creators and buyers must appreciate that this craft is not about chasing trends, but about honoring timeless design. Rustic wood mixed with metal has remained popular for years because it touches something essential in people: the desire for authenticity, connection, and durability. It appeals to those who love the feeling of nature indoors, who admire craftsmanship, who want decor that feels grounded rather than manufactured. It satisfies the growing craving for furniture that reflects identity, values, and personal style. Ultimately, the worthiness of redesigning, recreating, and reusing old wood with metal lies in the deep blend of sustainability, artistry, function, and emotional value. It is a practice that transforms forgotten materials into meaningful pieces that enrich homes and lives. It empowers makers to craft responsibly, encourages buyers to invest thoughtfully, and brings the beauty of history into modern spaces. Anyone starting this journey, or choosing to bring such pieces into their home, should understand that this craft is not just about furniture. It's about storytelling, preserving materials with character, and creating something that lasts, both in form and in feeling. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.